Good morning. We just pulled up into the Hoh Rainforest last night. We're in the Twilight zone now. If you're new here, I'm Cody and Kylie's in the van. This is our 2020 Ford Transit. Me and my girlfriend Kylie are on a little weekend trip to Forks and the Hoh Rainforest. So last night we pulled into just this little camp spot over in the entrance to Hoh Rainforest. We're gonna go fishing, but people are in our spot, so I don't know what really is on the agenda for today.
I just put my shirt on. I was rushing. Good morning. We are hoping to fish today and probably go to La Push, which is my favorite beach in the whole world. And that's really all I can think of.
Good enough. First thing on the agenda for today, as always, is some coffee. What are we, probably 10 minutes from the main road?
There's a whole bunch of cabins like 5 minutes away from us.
And then the river runs like right back here, but there's like a couple people staying there in their cars, so that's where we wanted to stay last night so that we can go fishing, but we don't have bait and there was people there, so we just came a little bit up the road and parked right here, which is as good a spot as any. Pretty flat. Saying goodbye to our spot. This is a good one. I'm Edward. We had a little change of plans. We didn't get coffee yet, but we found the gate to Olympic National Park. Yeah, and Hoh Rainforest. But supposedly it dead ends, so we're gonna go to the end and then see if the gift shop's open, and then we're gonna go get some coffee. Wow, this is beautiful. Gotta get us our pin and our patch and our stickers. What do you have to say?
I'm excited to explore.
Got our stickers.
We learned some things about the Hoh Rainforest.
Gotta add some stickers to our collection.
Thank you for giving me this one.
Yes, ma'am. This is the one I got.
He wanted this one originally, but I liked it, so he gave it to me.
We got the pin that's like basically the same thing. Add it to our pin wall. Right there. Running out of space quick on this wall. Bella's original truck. Wow, that's so sad. The visitor center and the museum is closed.
We can't learn about Twilight. I think that they have like the original clothes and stuff from the movie.
That is BS. It's 10 o'clock. These people like to sleep in or what? Wow, we're living the real Twilight experience right now. You guys will never believe where we are. We're at the high school. Look at that. I wonder where the wolves lived.
This house is...
We got our coffees. I got a white chocolate Americano with coconut and hazelnut. What did you get?
I got a spiced white mocha. It's brown sugar, cinnamon, and white chocolate.
We're on the prowl for... Whose house is this? Oh, Bella's house, right?
House.
Oh my gosh, there's literally things there in the window.
Yeah, Bella Salon. Photos are welcome, but please do not trespass. This is private residence. We'll step on this thing.
Going into Ace Hardware, getting us some fishing bait and some food.
Hungry.
Yeah, me too. That was a hectic experience. We went in there and we, without any help, we bought like these tiny little hooks and these tiny little things. And then we were telling the lady that we were going fishing, so we asked her like for what she thought we should get, and then she called this guy over and he recommended like this big old freaking hook. And we got like tiny little fishing poles, so if we catch anything that big, those things are gonna snap. We got some shrimp eggs and some salmon eggs. So we'll see what we catch. Can you guys guess where we are?
My favorite place on earth.
La Push.
La Push? Oh yeah, we can walk through.
We were just talking about how this place is losing like a bunch of land every year. And eventually the whole tribe's gonna be like wiped out. I did a project on it when I was in college. Look how big that tree is. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a guy up there on one of those like surfboard things where you like pump up and down. That would be so scary. Inside of a little beach cave. Oh my gosh. This is treacherous. Whoops.
You see me? Where's my arm?
It's a little thick.
Right there!
Don't go that way. You're gonna get soaked.
Bella, where the hell you been, loca?
That's what I've been asking myself this whole time.
Bella, where the hell you been, loca?
My stinky socks. Don't mind those. Just made it to our little fishing spot. Kylie forgot her fishing license, but we're just gonna do a little bit of lake fishing. There's like trout, smallmouth bass, largemouth bass, and then there was, I think it said there was walleye, which I don't know if I believe that or not, but this is really nice. There's like a little pebbly beach. Also could go on the dock, which might be, that might be a good move, honestly. But I think we'll probably just try this first and see what it's like.
Oh my gosh!
I caught the world's largest, or the world's smallest fish. Look at that puny little thing. We already caught one fish, so we're already winners in the fish department. We just got done with our fishing adventure. Caught 2 fish. Yeah. Got 2 fish, and that's all that matters. We both caught one. Spent, what, probably 2 hours there or so?
Yeah, you snapped your line within like 15 minutes, I feel like.
Yeah, it was, I have the cheapest fishing pole on planet Earth. It's like a telescopic pole, and it is trash. So next Walmart or something, we gotta pick us up a better one. But now we're just headed towards Port Angeles, which is like upper left side of Washington. We're on the prowl for a camp spot.
Thank you, I Overlander 2.
Yeah. I Overlander 1 was better, but we won't get too deep into politics. GoPro like crammed in here and it fell and hit me right on my nose. Oh. All right, little update. New spot, new pole. See what we can catch. Oh my gosh, right at sunset too. And then our camp spots, literally, you can kind of see it right behind the van. We're slaying them. Little panfish. Dang. Overcome your fears. I smell like fish.
We just got to our spot for the night. I am starting dinner. We're making grilled cheese and tomato soup, keeping it easy. With a little side of fish. He is filleting the little ones that we caught today. Anyways, got our sourdough bread, the only way to go when it comes to grilled cheese. Way better than Campbell's. And some basic cheese. But we'll see you when he's done doing that, and I am hopefully done with this.
Extra.
It's too hot for just regular grilled cheese, so gotta hover it. It's been a night.
Yeah, it's been a night. You guys haven't even got the half of it. But we caught like 5 little perch.
Technically we caught like 8, but somebody dropped a couple of them in the water.
Yeah, if you ever caught one of those things, you know that their like spines are so pokey. But those ones weren't meant to be caught.
They were meant to live in a happy, long life.
Yep. Now we're making some grilled cheese.
I'm trying to make this one perfect for you, because I've burnt the other 2.
It's been a day. We went to the Hoh Rainforest. We went to La Push. Where else did we go?
I think we came here after all that.
Forks. Did I say that?
True, we drove through Forks. We saw
Olympic National Park. But we're about to rub down on this food.
I really want to wake up early and go fish again.
Yeah, that was pretty
I'm
fun.
on like a fisher's high. I haven't gone fishing since I was like 8 years old.
Oh. Feeling like a whale. I think we're gonna watch our movie and go to bed, so we will see you guys in the morning. It's time to make some breakfast sandos. Catch a dang thing. How long do we fish for? Probably like 2 hours? An hour?
2 hours. Crazy.
Yeah,
probably like maybe an hour, a little over an hour.
Yeah, it was probably closer to an hour, but oh, look at that doggy. But we're still like 2 hours from home, so this is where we stayed last night, up in there. But we are headed home now, so cue the montage. So it's multiple days later, and as I edited this video, I realized that we never filmed an outro for it. So here it is. We had an absolute blast filming this one. I'm still learning how to edit and how to film and how to do everything properly, so the videos aren't as quality as I want. At the bare minimum, we do it mostly just to have fun and to get these experiences and to tell these stories. So we're super thankful for you guys for even taking a moment to watch even a second of the video. It means a lot to us. So just stay tuned and bear with us. If you guys are liking this type of content, just let us know. This is what we love to do, so even if we don't film it, we're having fun at the end of the day. So we appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.